Clutch pedal spring broken on a new Holland T7. Just fell out in the ground. Clutch pedal is stuck to the floor. How do you replace it? First of all, this is the part number that you need. I'm going to start off by taking out these two Torx here and the far side and lifting away that piece of the dashboard. Be able to lift away this section and this section of the dashboard, and then I'll show you what's underneath. For convenience, I'm just going to unplug this plug here, which controls these buttons on the top section. I'm going to leave all the dash clocks plugged in. Next thing I'm going to do is there's an M8 bolt there and there, and I'm going to take that out, and that allows the lower section to lift out of the way. I think to make life easy, I actually will unplug these and just take this out of the way altogether. With those two bolts removed, you should be able to just grab this entire unit and lift it up out of the way, which will get me access to the clutch pedal. You do have to have the steering wheel in the fully down position to lift out that completely. Now you have much better access, not brilliant access, but better access to replace the clutch spring. So the new clutch spring attaches through the hole in this little tab here, and you probably will not be able to see this in video. The other end of it obviously goes through the end of the clutch pedal. There's a tab sticking out with a hole in it. I think it's just there. Very difficult to see. Put it onto the clutch pedal first. There's the clutch pedal, and there's a hole in the clutch pedal and the spring goes through there. You need to wedge the clutch pedal in the upright position with your box of sockets, and then get a couple of screwdrivers and a long nose pliers. So I've grabbed the end of the spring with a pointy pliers, and then I'm going to wedge a screwdriver down here, and I'm going to lever between this little bar here just under the screwdriver tip and the actual edge of the pliers, and see if I can lever the spring into position. And that's the spring in position. The only way to get it in, to explain it again, is to grab the spring with a pointy pliers somewhere about there, squeeze the pliers, and then lever a screwdriver against the pliers, and then you'll get it into position. Perfect. When you put it all back together, the most important thing to do is to go and order another one of these. Keep it in your toolbox. You're definitely going to need it. Simple job, only takes about 10 minutes. Seems to be a really common problem. By the way, when you order this part number, you get 2 springs in the one bag, which is really handy.